You might already know that you can bring images on Looker Studio. With our connectors, you can bring your creative images, your posts, your email snapshots, your photos, your customer profiles, and everything that can be an image, we will bring it in our Google Looker Studio connectors. Now, how images work? Images are simply URLs that contain that image. With this, you can already know how to bring images with a custom connector or from your own data sources. As you can see, this image is actually this URL, and if I click on this URL, I will find this image file. Another way to see this, if I go to edit this add image URL, I will click on edit, I will select the data type, it is URL, and I can change it to image. For instance, if in your data source, in your Google Sheet connection, or any other connector, you have a URL that contain an image, and this is actually an image file, then you can turn it into an image on Google Looker Studio.